roasted chicken with grilled veg. Delicious roasted chicken with grilled veg. Look at that. Beautiful. Grill, we just make it off for the grill. Alright. This chicken was marinated the day before. Alright. Beautiful. Grilled veg. The grilled veg, rosemary, thyme. We chop it up. Balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, olive oil, okay, and dry oregano. We season it and we grill it off of the grill. And the chicken was marinated the day before. I have a recipe for the chicken if you're interested. Alright, it's delicious. This is our dinner. Guys, beautiful herb chicken with orange juice, lime juice, cilantro, thyme, okay, and season, all the season that we had put on it, okay. All right, guys.